If you value how long wooden toys last and you want things to be non-toxic, check out this EverEarth racetrack ramp. You get 4 cars. We are missing 2, but we have these 2 remaining, and all you do is just put one on top and they flip backwards or front forwards to go down the ramp. And you can see like which one goes faster. You can put 2 in at a time right behind each other. It's really fun for younger toddlers and really just kind of teaches them the basics of physics. And it's really a good toy for a rainy day, having the playroom. Again, especially younger toddlers who are just kind of getting into their first set of toys. This one would be a great one to get a older baby that will last him into older toddler phase. Great birthday gift idea, Christmas gift idea. Y'all check this one out. Hopefully you like it as much as we have.